What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today on the inside of the Vauxhall Corsa C for a quick tutorial. I'm on the inside because it's really windy outside, as you can probably see in the bushes behind me. The wind's out. It's a really nice day actually. It's dead hot and sunny and a bit too hot in here right now, but it's too windy to film, so I thought I'd do the intro in here. Today's a dead simple video. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace, and also the fuse location for the horn. A really easy one, a lot of you might think, but there's also quite a lot of comments about the horn fuse and people with horn problems. It's something you need to pass your MOT, so I thought it's worth covering, as it is actually quite an important part of your car, as daft as it sounds. So first thing I'm going to do is open the bonnet, and what I'd really recommend you doing, if it's a UK spec car, so right-hand drive cars, take the passenger wheel off. I think the horn's on the same size for the Opels and the Vauxhalls, whatever part of the world you're from. It's on the passenger side, the left-hand side at the front, and it's sort of just tucked behind the front bumper. So I think the easiest way to get to it is to take your passenger front wheel off, jack it up, take the front wheel off, and then you don't have to take the bumper off and stuff, and you can just get under it and stick your hand in. It's quite easy to access, as you'll see in a minute, because I'm going to show you guys that. So first things first is get it jacked up, make sure you're safe, put it on axle stands, you know, anything like that. Keep the car secure, get the front wheel off, and then we've got good access to it. And I'll join you on the front as well, and we'll have a proper look at that. Also guys, get the bonnet open, because I'm going to show you where the fuse is for it, as someone was asking about that as well in the comments. So I hope this helps for you who were asking me earlier today. Guys, I hope you're all staying safe and well in this time of weirdness and boringness. There's not much to do. It's crap. We're all sat in quarantine, sat in our houses, sat in our gardens a lot. Luckily the weather has been nice, so we're blessed for that. But you know, just be happy if you're healthy and ride it out. It'll soon be over, I'm sure. As for content for this channel during this quarantine thing, right now I'm sat in the Corsa, as you can see, and I have the Focus, and that is it. Unfortunately right now, that's not forever, that's not at all permanent, but for the here and now I only have the Focus and the Corsa, so I'll continue to do the odd tutorial on them. And obviously if you want one doing that I've not already covered, let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely do it for you at the moment, because I've got nothing else to do. Also, I'm thinking of doing another style video. I'm going to set up later. I'm going to film what will be episode 1 and see what you all think of it. If you don't like it, fair enough. It's something to do, but it's something worth a try. So I'm basically going to do, like, I'm going to set a budget. So the first video will just be to set the budget, which is more for you guys, and I'm going to do it as well. And I want you all to use the comment section for this and put in, you know, the best car you think you should get for X amount of pounds and why in the comments below. And basically give it a couple of days. Hopefully, you know, you'll all like it and put your comments in. There'll be loads of different interesting cars, and then off the back of that I'll do another video and pick my top 5 favourite cars for that budget, and I will do a little video about that, and I'll show pictures and maybe a few video clips of each car that you've picked. I just thought it'd be interesting. It's, you know, it's something to do, and it's something to give you guys a bit of content from me, rather than just the odd tutorial on these 2 cars for the next couple of months or whatever. But anyway, let's crack on with today's video. So today guys, if you forgot, because I've been waffling on with myself, I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the horn on the Vauxhall Corsa C, and also the fuse location for said horn. Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, I took the front left wheel off, jacked it up. The car is secure, don't worry. And we're going to sort of get down in between where the wheel would be, stick your head in there, and you can see it straight away. That is the horn. Dead easy really. You've got one electrical connection here, you can see that. Probably get a flat screwdriver to pop that off because it'll be a bit brittle, and one what looks like a 13mm nut. I should have already checked this before I started the video, but I'm gonna have a look now because I've got a couple of spanners on me. tell you one thing guys, the dust coming off the ground in the wind, I can't see. Yeah, that is a 13 knot, so as you can see, I'm going to pop that knot off like so. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to take the horn off, I don't even have a replacement, and it's that simple, I don't need to take it off, do I guys? So you're literally going to undo this 30mm nut, you're going to undo this electrical connection here. You might want to disconnect the battery before you start. Yeah, I'd probably recommend it. I mean, it shouldn't be live anyway, but for what it's worth, disconnect the battery as with anything electrical on your car, and then pull this electrical connection out, undo your 30mm nut. The whole thing will come loose off this bracket, and then you can get your new horn, feed the thread through. The new horn will have a thread on the back of it, and then put your 30mm nut back on, tighten it up, nice and firm, don't have to overdo it, just make sure it won't rattle loose. These might, I mean that's not, but they probably should have a split washer on them so they can't vibrate loose. And then put your electrical connection back in, and that is how to remove and replace the horn. It's really that simple, something you can all do at home on your driveway. No need for a mechanic for this one. So we hope you found that one useful. And next, before you go, I'll show you guys where the fuse is and what fuse is for the horn. So already I've got the bonnet open. This flap comes up like this. If you're not sure about that, I've done a fuse box video, but it just pops up with a little bit there, and you can pop it off. No tools required for that. I've already checked online, and it's a fuse 10 for the horn. So as you can see, it tells you all the numbers here on the back of that panel that I've just pulled off. So that's a relay, it's not that, unless that is fuse 10, as you can see here. Something a minute, I bet you guys found that before me, didn't you? So we know, looking at the back of this, obviously we've got to make sure it's lined up to how it goes. Yeah, so we're looking at it this way. That's, well, this is the fun bit. I am right. No, I'm not. Just throw that on the floor. There we go. We got there in the end. Sorry about that, guys. So we know fuse 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and it's the second row down. So from here, we're going to go second row down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 10 amp fuse 10, and that is your horn fuse. Obviously, I know it works for me because my horn works. So if your horn's not working, before you replace it, check this fuse first. And if it is blown, it's probably just that. Change that, and after changing the fuse, if it still doesn't work, then you know that it is the horn itself that's broke. Now we can replace that, get the cover back on, and that is how to remove and replace your horn itself, and how to check the horn fuse to make sure it's not that that's blown. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Dead easy one, like I say, have a go at it yourself, even if you're not that sure. If you can get your hands on, for this case, a 13mm spanner, you're probably going to be all right, and you can jack the car up and stuff. As long as you're capable of that, you can do this. You know, don't waste money on mechanics. I'm not trying to slag off mechanics or say that they're not useful or you don't need them, because you certainly do, and there's a lot of jobs which, if you don't know what you're doing, you can really mess things up. But there's also a lot of simple, small jobs that places overcharge for, and it's a bit of oil on my face, and there's just no need. So have a go at that yourself. If your horn's faulty, you can fix that one yourself, and I hope this video helps you do so. So guys, that's about it from me today. If you're new to the channel, you're new around here, and you like cars, you like car content, and you like learning a bit about your own car perhaps, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you liked it. It does help. Even if you didn't like it, just give it a like. It's only a click of a button. And more so than anything at the moment, stay safe guys, stay at home. As you can see today, I'm at home. Any videos you do see are coming straight from a driveway, which is pretty much the norm for me anyway. And all this crap will soon be over and we can get on with our lives. But anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. This is One Life Cars. Peace.